Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer insights with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner of the page. Select the relevant account and property for which you want to protect customer insights. Under the property column, click on Tracking Info and then go to Data Retention. Here, review your settings to ensure data retention aligns with your privacy policies. Adjust the user and event data retention setting according to your data protection standards. Next, go to User Management within the Admin menu to manage user access. Limit access to individuals who truly need it by assigning appropriate permissions. Consider setting up two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. To protect sensitive customer insights, utilize IP anonymization. Go back to Tracking Info and find the IP anonymization feature to enhance user privacy. Implement the Google Analytics 4 property for more advanced privacy controls. Familiarize yourself with the new features and settings that offer greater data protection. Next, review your data sharing settings by clicking on Account Settings. Adjust options regarding sharing data with Google. Lastly, ensure you comply with data protection regulations like GDPR or CCPA. This may involve updating your privacy policy and being transparent with customers about data usage. Regularly audit your analytics practices and settings to maintain security. Stay informed about updates to Google Analytics that could affect customer data protection. By following these steps, you will effectively safeguard your customer insights in Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.